God is saying, my beloved child, I want you to talking to me. You are going to be telling a different story very soon. A story of how miracle have found you. A succeed story filled with so much inspiration. My child, you will give so much hope to so many people when they see how much you overcome and still came out on the top. Like this video. 11:11. Soon, someone is going to look at you like you are the best thing in the world. I will bless my people and their homes, and in the proper season I will send the showers they need. There will be showers of blessings, Ezekiel 34:26. God is saying to you today, you are going to receive that miracle you've been praying for. Only I can do the impossible. I can make a way where there seems to be no way. I am going to touch your health, your home, your family, your faith, and your finances today with healing blessings and favor. Watch this video till the end. If you need blessings, God said, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. The beauty is we don't have to make it happen. You don't have to manipulate things, force a door to open, or make yourself get. Well, God is going to make it happen. You may have obstacles that are too big for you. You don't see how you can get out of debt or how you can accomplish a dream. The good news is you're not on your own at the right time. God will open the doors. God is saying to you today, I know you have been questioning yourself lately and wondering if you are really strong enough or good enough to do what I placed in your heart to do. This message is here to remind you that you can do all things through Christ. Don't you dare give up or let fear talk you out of your dream. Remember, I am with you and you will succeed. You can do this. God is saying to you today, everything is going to work out. Things are going to get better. Your life will be better than ever before. This struggle will not last forever. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Stand firm in your faith. Healing, peace, and blessings are coming your way. Type 11:11 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, it's time for you to smile again. Never forget, you are not alone in this. Let me help you. My angels are with you already. Relax and just trust me. I have amazing plans for you. In fact, that is why you need to get excited again, because the plans I have for you are greater than you could ever ask or think. The best is yet to come. God is saying to you today, you have been through, so people please donate us $100 to support us, my beloved child. In the next month I will shower you with the significant benefits and affection that you are worthy of, says. Your life, if people only knew the half of it. You have been there for others through thick and thin. You loved them through the worst of times. You only asked for honesty and loyalty in return. You've been hurt so many times because of your loving and caring heart. You even opened your doors and took on responsibilities that belong to others, yet you continue to praise and worship me. I know your pain. I will never leave you, nor forsake you. You're not going through. You're coming out this month. Your entire household is going to be touched by my hand. Blessings are coming your way. God is saying to you today, don't give up. I know you're under attack in your finances, your health, and your relationships. That is just a sign that you are close to your breakthrough. The enemy has declared war against you and your family, but I have declared peace, victory, healing, and blessings over your life. And my word is final, so get up and start your day. Be encouraged, because the blessing you've been praying for is at your doorstep. Just open the door. God is saying to you today, I'm renewing your strength. Even though anxiety fills your heart, I am giving you everlasting peace. You will make it through this. The best is yet to come. Type 22222 affirms this. God is saying to you today, never forget that I am always with you through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in blessings and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. God is saying to you today, there is a shift coming that is going to push you into your destiny. Blessings are coming your way. I am going to unleash a double portion of blessings and favor in your life. For all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches, and setbacks you may have endured, I have a blessing for you. God is saying to you today, don't even think about giving up. You're going to make it. No matter what it looks like right now, I know you're worried about your finances, your health, and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory. If you don't quit, I'm going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Get ready for your blessings. God is saying to you, today, my child, you're worrying too much. Remember who I am? There is nothing too hard for. See it. But I have everything planned out for you. God is saying to you today, I have not forgotten you. I know where you are, and I know how to get you to where you need to be, even when things don't go the way you planned. My hand is on you. Do not be afraid. I am working behind the scenes on your behalf, and I will lead you into a life of blessings, purpose, and favor. Type 333 affirms this. God is saying to you today, trust me. I've stayed with you through every storm in your life. I've given you all that you need. I have and always will protect you, your family, and your loved ones. Things may be difficult for you right now, but just trust in my timing. A change in your circumstance is coming. I love you. Be encouraged. But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Isaiah 40:31. God is saying to you today, you are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationships. I'm doing something new in your life. I invite you to click on the first comment, where you will find a special prayer and the second best manifestation offer in the world. God said, my dear son, I come to you with a heart overflowing with love, hope, and grace. My greatest wish is for you to feel this boundless love I have for you. Although there are mysteries in this world, have faith that you are loved beyond measure. The gift of existence should not be taken for granted, as every moment is precious. I want you to fully embrace the blessings of being alive, to appreciate the richness of simply breathing. Feeling, thinking, and being, marvel at the creativity that resides within you. Allow yourself to notice the beauty around you and ponder the mysteries of life. Use your creative gifts to make the world a little brighter for others. Share your talents freely as you yearn for more success, strength, and prosperity. I understand these deep desires. I know the longing in your soul. Have faith that I desire to grant these blessings. God is saying to you today, I know you have been struggling for a long time, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. You have a good heart, and people have abused you. In many ways, the devil has tried to make you lose your mind. You have been betrayed in many ways. Yet you stand in the midst of your storms. You are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon that is formed against you to prosper. Fear not. I'm going to turn things around and bless you in the presence of your enemies. God has armed you with strength for every battle. He said, no weapon formed against you will ever prosper. You haven't seen, heard, or imagined the amazing things God has in store. Believe today that things are changing in your favor. God's done it in the past, and He will do it again in the future. When people are talking about you, don't worry. God hears it. He's your defender. And He will prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemies. The very ones that are trying to hold you down, they will see you in a position of honor. That's your defender going to work. I know there's a lot on your mind. You're fighting every day to take care of your family and maintain your peace. The weight of the world feels like it's pressing down on you. Always remember that you are not alone through prayer. Bring all your concerns to me. I will provide. I will make a way for you. Heaven's resources are behind you. You don't need to worry. I have your back. Type 555. to affirms this. God is saying to you today, the best is yet to come. I have felt the anxiety, the anguish, the confusion, and your pain. I have seen the tears you have shed, for every teardrop and for every sleepless night. I have a blessing for you. The pain you are feeling is coming to an end. Blessings, solutions, and divine favor are coming your way. See, I'm doing a new thing now. It springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. Isaiah 43:19. God is saying to you today, I have heard your prayers, I can feel your pain. I know that you may not understand all that I allow, but I am always in complete control out of your hurt and disappointments. I will bring great joy and blessings. I need you to hang on during these difficult days. Everything is going to be all right place. Your trust in me like never before. Be still and know that I am. God is bringing you out of this situation with His mighty hand. There won't be the slightest hint of the residue of trouble left on you. You will come through this unscathed. You won't look like what you've been through. You'll just look like an example of God's glory and favor. God is saying to you today, I know you are physically in 66, emotionally drained, but you have to keep going. I'll see you through. You're going to make it. You and your family will be just fine. Just stand and let me fight this battle. Type 7772 affirms this. Trust in my timing will bring peace. I see the positive changes you have made, the steps taken, with faith and courage. This warms my heart and shows that you are maturing beautifully. When you approach me sincerely, I am radiant. Maintaining a connection with me will nurture your soul both in trials and victories. I am always near, patiently waiting for you to seek my wisdom and grace. God is saying to you today, your miracle is closer than you think. There's about to be a shift from struggling in to ease, from barely making it to abundance, from fighting that addiction to freedom, and from dealing with that sickness to health and wholeness. You're going to shift from nothing working out to things falling into place, meeting the right people, receiving the contracts, and having all the resources you need. What I promised you already has a set time. It's not going to be 1 second late. Trust my timing. God is saying to you today that closed door was not a rejection, but a redirection to something bigger and better. I will bring people into your life who will help you, not hinder you. They will encourage you, not judge you. They are not part of your past, so they won't keep reminding you of it. Don't look back. I have something amazing in your future. Type 9992 affirms this. If you felt like you've wasted years of your life in the wrong job, hanging around the wrong people, doing the wrong things, God will gather those years and restore them back to you. He'll take those experiences that the enemy meant for your harm and turn them around for your good. He will make you stronger, wiser, and better off than you were before. He can launch you further into your destiny than before. Be encouraged today, because with God, all things are possible and nothing is ever wasted. You will receive a clean bill of health. You will get the job. You will meet the right person. All the pieces are coming together. You will experience supernatural turnarounds, miracles, blessings, healing, and growth in all areas is of your life. Keep the faith you have shown today. Let it be a light in dark times. Remember my promises and find a refuge in my eternal love. Have hope in the future. I have planted for you, filled with blessings beyond imagination. The path may not be easy, but with faith in me, you will prevail over any adversity in a world marked by duality, where good and evil coexist. You may find yourself questioning the reason for suffering. Know that even in the midst of this challenging scenario, I am always present, ready to offer my loving hand of healing. If you believe in this, manifest your faith in the comments by writing, I believe. Faced with illnesses, injuries, or afflictions, it is natural to feel fear and uncertainty. However, I invite you to find peace in me through prayer and deep connection with your divine self. This connection will awaken the inner strength needed to face any challenge. Remember that your soul is eternal, and even in the face of physical illness, Your divine essence remains untouched and immaculate. My dear son, my dear daughter, I come to you with a heart overflowing with love. My greatest wish is for you to feel this boundless love I have for you. Although there are mysteries in this world, have faith that you are loved. Beyond measure, the gift of existence should not be taken for granted, as every moment is precious. I want you to fully embrace the blessings of being alive, to appreciate the richness of simply breathing, feeling, thinking, and being. Marvel at the creativity that resides within you. Allow yourself to notice the beauty around you and ponder the mysteries of life. Use your creative gifts to make the world a little brighter for others. Share your talents freely as you yearn for more success, strength, and prosperity. I understand these deep desires. I know the longing in your soul. Have faith that I desire to grant these blessings to you in due time. But true success and strength come from the development of wisdom, patience, and humility with silent reflection. Listen to my voice guiding you. Learn to find joy in simple moments, as patience and trust in my timing will bring peace. I see the positive changes you have made, the steps taken with faith and courage. This warms my heart and shows that you are maturing beautifully when you approach me sincerely. I am radiant. Maintaining a connection with me will nurture your soul, both in trials and victories. I am always near, patiently waiting for you to seek my wisdom and grace. Keep the faith you have shown today. Let it be a light in dark times. Remember my promises and find refuge in my eternal love. Have hope in the future. I have planned for you filled with blessings beyond imagination. The path may not be easy, but with faith in me you will prevail over any adversity. My desire is for you to understand the depth of my love and the trust. One place in you from the moment I sculpted every particle of your being in your mother's womb. I have witnessed every step of your journey. With eyes full of compassion, you are a unique creation, a singular manifestation of my infinite love. And it is with this love that I embrace every joy, every tear, and every challenge you face. It is essential to understand that the love we receive transcends our achievements or failures. We are loved unconditionally, not based on earthly merits, but simply for being who we are. This understanding is the fundamental cornerstone that upholds our intrinsic value. As beloved sons and daughters of the Creator, allow this fundamental truth to permeate every fiber of your being, acting as a shield in moments of self-doubt and uncertainty. The divine heart overflows with love for each one of us, precious sons and daughters. May this message serve as a letter of eternal love, a constant reminder of the unbreakable bond we share with the divine. In it, we find not just words, but eternal promises and constant guidance, embracing life with courage and hope. We recognize that we are never truly alone. The divine presence is constant, accompanying us at every step of this intricate journey. The daily practice of gratitude not only connects us with the blessings around us, but also nurtures a grateful and receptive heart. As we cultivate this state of mind, we begin to see more clearly the threads of grace weaving the fabric of our lives. Gratitude then becomes a source of strength and joy, providing a positive perspective, even in the most challenging moments. Therefore, amid the complexities of existence, let us pause to express gratitude. Let us recognize the gifts that surround us, from the most obvious to the most subtle, and let us carry with us the certainty that we are loved beyond words, guided by a divine presence that transcends all circumstances. May gratitude be the light that illuminates our path, inspiring us to live with joy, purpose, and fullness with love. God hope this message has been an inspiration to you. If you liked it, please write Amen and share this message with someone who also needs to hear it. I invite you to click on the first comment, where you will find a special prayer, the second best manifestation offer in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Until tomorrow.